Deriv, so wonderful. Deriv Trading me, wonderful me. Hello, guys. Hello. Okay, I have a question. What's your thoughts? What's your general thoughts? What do you think about trading? Deriv Trading. What do you think about Deriv Trading? I know of so many people. Okay, I know of many people who have gotten involved in deriv trading, and over the years they ran away. Even if you ask them what they think about deriv trading, the first thing they do is, I'm not interested. I don't believe in that trading stuff. They work for me. So what's your opinion about deriv trading? What's your opinion about option trading on deriv, forex trading, whatever trading? Some have made fortunes from trading, some have not. My question to you is, what is your thoughts? What do you think about trading? You see, when I was first starting about trading, my whole objective was make money, make money, make money, make money. In fact, my objective wasn't just to make money. My objective was simply to make. I have small money. Imagine you have like $10, $20, or roughly maybe all the money you have to trade with is like $100. But you want to make all the money you can make. So as at when I started, I think that was 2011. Yeah, 2011. Okay, because that was after I finished my ND. It was like 20. I finished my ND, OND 2009, 2010, then 2011 was when I started getting involved with options trading and all that. And guess what? The idea was to use $10 to make 1,000. Every time I think back, I say, Mumu me. The idea, my objective was always, I don't have money, okay? I didn't have money then. I didn't have, I'm always looking at using $10 to make 100, 1,000. In fact, it's not even 100, 1,000. Because I've done $10 to $100, $10 to $200. So I was aiming at $10 to 1,000. Okay, that was as at 2011. So that's what's making me ask, what is your thoughts? How do you see trading? You, right now, how do you see trading? If you are seeing trading from that perspective, my brother, you will just be running cat race. You'll be running around in circles. You will not be able to make good income from trading. I treat trading as a business. Okay? I'm not in competition with anybody. In fact, I don't compete with anybody. I don't have anyone I'm looking high like this up to, so that I will now be running rat race, cat and mouse race. I'm not interested. I'm only after, will I be able to make comfortably small income that can sustain me, that I know that, oh, if I'm earning, I'll be okay. My life is not difficult. My life is not hard. I'm not running after big figure. I don't need big figure. Okay. There are some people. Their aim, their objective is to make billions. My own objective is not to make billion. You may be wondering, what kind of objective is that one? You don't want to make billion. So what happens if you start making billion? I will get there. That's not the objective. Okay, because let me tell you, in life, everything is in stages. If you rush past your stage, those are the people that could not manage, they cannot manage their wealth when they get it. The person you have been praying for ideas, you have been praying for money, If money comes to you right now, if you start earning, let's say for instance, 10 million every month, what will you do with it? Okay, let's ask you that question right now. Do you have plan for if you start making 10 million right now, what will you do with 10 million? If you start making 50 million, what will you do with 50 million? What is your plan? What is your objective? Okay, it was just like somebody that I know that I come across. The person won money. Okay, the person was trading all this bet Ninja. It was no Naira bet. Was always trading Naira bet, Naira bet. He was always spending money. One day, I think then self, I was still in Ebute Meta. I now told him, I said, you are trying to use $100 to collect 1 million or something. You yourself, how you take see am? E can't look like this, look like this. I said, okay, if you win that money, what will you do with it? He said, I never think of her. When I win her, I'll know wetin to do with her. I said, when you win it, you will not do anything with it. You will lavish it. I can tell you how you will spend it. He thought I was joking. I said, I can tell you how you will spend it. I said, number one, you will not go to your house again. You will lodge in an hotel. Yes, you. I know you. You will lodge in an hotel. You will start spending the money anyhow. In fact, you can go and buy one small car. I know you. The first thing you will think of is car. And then the next thing you will think of is you start showing off. He said, no, after plenty trials, one will now click. He will now do all that nonsense. I said, so what will you do if you are not going to do that nonsense? He said, right now, I can't think of something, but I will just think of one business. See the statement, I will just think of one business that I can do. I said, so right now, your brain is senseless, thinkless, thoughtless. It cannot think of a business that can multiply that 1 million for you so that you are going to be able to strategically play your bet. You continue to strategically continue trying your bet. Because if you could do that bet, it worked for you. It gave you money. You should be able to repeat it. Except it is a one-time thing that is not going to repeat itself again. He said, I've never thought of it like that. I said, don't worry. One day you will win money. And you will say, I told you so. Guess what? A few years after, I've now moved from Ebute Meta to like Yaba. From church, Ebute Meta to Yaba. One day I just jam am for whether Yaba market or we are doing a crusade or something. I just jam am for road. He said, Brother Faye, this is you. I said, how have you been? How is life? He said, fine. He said, you are a prophet. He said, you said something. I was doubting you. Sure, you know that thing happened. Exactly as you talk am. I said, you win money. How much? Guess how much he won? As at then, he won 13.5 million. I asked him, I said, you must have a business now or something. He said, my brother, I not get any business. So in fact, I wasted the money. I wasted the opportunity. I said, so what property do you own now from that money? Do you have anything tangible that is remaining from that money? Nothing. He said, exactly all the things you described were all the things I did. He said, in fact, he said, he didn't even have a house or a place he was staying. He was roaming about, loafing from one hotel to the other. He was gallivanting, showing off. I said, so you didn't have a car? You didn't buy a car? He said, I bought one. I've sold it now. I said, but you told me you had a plan. He said, there was no plan. His head was empty. I said, so when you won, you didn't continue again to do the thing. He said, he was now trying to do big one. I said, your mouth was now wide. He said, yes, he was now trying to do big one. Guess what? There was no plan. There was no plan. Where you do not have plan, whether you are trading, whether you are gambling, whether you are working, if there is no plan, there is no future you are looking at, there is nothing you want to aim at, you are not going to be productive. I'm not even bringing religion into this matter, okay? Okay, David say a question. Go ahead, ask your question. Go ahead, ask your question, David. Now, he didn't have any plan. You see, the day I met that brother again and we spoke, I said, but I advised you. I told you some things you could do. I said, even if you don't have plan, èèyàn máa ń fi, permit me to say this in Yoruba, èèyàn máa ń fi ọgbọ́n lọ́gbọ́n ṣọgbọ́n. You use other people's wisdom, other people's mistake. You learn from their error so that you can become better. But you see, there are some people in life, once they get exposed to too much money, oh boy, you've not seen money. When you see money, you think you will maintain your cool, your attitude. There are some people, the reason why they have not even blown or even make money is because God knows if this one see money, he will misbehave. So he will be guiding you, safeguarding your life till you are mature enough. I will ask you a simple question. Right now, if you are able to start earning, David said, define woman. I beg, leave that define woman. You people, you are still talking like, you are still thinking and talking like all those people who are saying they are feminists, they are whatever, all those ones, they are all rubbish and nonsense. Forget all those things. Which one? Are there not only two beings of human being? You where you get school, they don't teach you man and woman from inception. You know, be man and woman, they teach you male, female. So why are you trying to define woman? Wetin woman do you? It's like you saying define man. To define yourself. Okay, define yourself. What makes a male? What makes a female? It is not even in the nature of man alone. It is not even in our own nature. It is also in the nature of every other creature that existed. They are both male and female. So why will you not start thinking like people who don't even say, brother, think again, call. What are you thinking? Okay, let me ask you. Let me give you a simple example, a simple question. You have cat and dog, Abi? You know about cat and dog. Okay. Tell me, how many type of dog? I'm not talking about species, mixture, whatever. How many type of dog do you have? Do you have male, female, she, female, boy, male, 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 male? Which one? How many? Okay, let's even leave dog. Let's go to like maybe wild animals. Abi, let's say dog is domestic. He says only one. Only one. So you only have male dog or male and female dog. Which one? In fact, bros, don't divert my topic today. My topic is simply to my topic is simply to encourage you with one thing about trading, okay? Because I discover a lot of people, including a lot of some of my students, they have this same challenge. If you don't have plan and projection for your expectation, you are not going to make anything out of it. You are not going to make anything out of whatever you do. There are simple things in life. What is your plan? What is your objective? Okay, you want to trade. You want to start trading. What is the plan? How do you intend to make money? Let me tell you, when I started, there was nothing. The only plan was I want to make money. And I was so interested in making the money anyhow I can. Anyhow I can from the platform. There are things I cannot do. They are not in my nature. I cannot scam people. I will never be comfortable with it. Whether it's 1 naira or 10 naira, if other people do it and go scot-free, me, I know if you do and go scot-free. So I don't go through that. I cannot do yahoo yahoo. That one is sure. I had knowledge, information, built up information from onset that could make me stand out from others. But I never look at it from that perspective. Why? I cannot do it and go scot-free. I know it is in my nature because I've tried small version. It never worked well for me. So I knew this part is not my part. So I focus on my part. There are some of you have seen in your journey. This is where my journey is. All the people you meet, all the people you come across, there is nothing in this world that is new. This thing I'm doing, somebody has done it before. So I can learn from that person, the error, the mistake, the things he did and how he did it well. So my question to you is, if you are trading or you are doing business, you are doing anything, what's your objective? What are you looking at? It's what you plan for, you will receive. If you plan for big one, you will receive big. If you are the type, like me now, I'm the type that I am not focusing on big or plenty money. Are you with me? I am not the type. I don't live a flamboyant life. I don't know how to. Because I feel start them and I will get in trouble. No, it's true. If I try it, I'll get myself in trouble. Why? I'm the type that I don't know how. I know Sabi keeps secrets. I know Sabi keeps secrets. So I will just leak all the secret outside without even knowing himself. Most especially, I don't drink. If I now can't drink, I'll just be doing leak all your secrets. I will cobalize you. So I am not that kind of person. Now you, look at you. You are planning to trade. What is your plan? What is your objective? Okay, the work you are doing, you know they are paying you salary. And they have objectives. They have things they want you to perform, to do, that you must do, to be paid. They are going to quantify your performance, even for you to be paid. If they find out that you are not doing well, guess what? What will they do to you? They will tell you, oh, you are not doing well. This guy is not doing well at work. So we need to evaluate his performance. They will send you to HR. Why? Because they are expecting some certain tasks to be fulfilled from your own hand. Now, it's the same way you work for any company. That's the same way I see trading. So I'm not seeing it like a get-rich-quick scheme for me. Before, I used to see it that way. And when I was seeing it that way, I didn't make much from it. No. In fact, I will make money, I will lose it back. I will make money, I will lose it back. I end up not retaining profits because I was seeing it as a get-rich-quick scheme. I'll say if I come with $100, maybe in 3 days, 1 week, I should be able to turn that $100 to 500 or 1,000. That's the way I'm looking at trading. If you are looking at trading that way, you will not make a headway. No, forget all the people who will be toasting you, telling you, I'm not that kind of person. If I want scam and take other people money, do it like this. Why did I stop training people? I stopped training because most of them were thinking I'm living by their money. You pay 10,000 naira, you pay 20,000 naira, you think I'm living on that money. Meanwhile, I was running adverts back to back, $500, $800 adverts. In fact, there was a time I forgotten I've left one running that ran into BC. I paid it. I say, I did not know I left this advert running. They don't send me, they say I must pay. So Some of them think there was nobody on this channel that came across my channel or come to my channel through pure luck. No. My advert got to you. You saw my advert of trading. So that was how I built my subscriber base, based on adverts of what I am doing. But you see, the challenge here now is, okay, you are interested in trading. You want to make money from trading. What's your objective? How do you intend to do it? How much money can you make from this platform that you will be okay with? These are first questions you need to ask yourself and settle within yourself. Because let me tell you, if you don't understand, this platform is built, it's structured in this way. Collect from Paul, give Peter. Oh, you think it's only trading that is like that? Forex is like that. Crypto is like that. Lotto is like that. Anything that is going to give you massive return or even simple return, they all follow the same principle. Collect small from everybody, collect it, then promise them a high gain to few individuals. Are you getting it? That's how Lotto work. That's how bingo work. Games, all those games you play, lottery, even casino. That's how it works. It works on gather from as many as you can gather. If once you understand the fundamental principle of how all these things are created, your hunger will be more economical. Oh, you will get sense. You will not allow them to rob you. You will come with fully armed shield, and you will say, we go chop am together. Don't worry. Just give me small. Make I go. So don't be, the platform, they are structured in such a way that, okay, for instance, if you enter a casino, so that you understand all these things, they work the same way. If you enter a casino with, let's say, $10,000, what is your objective? What is your ambition? Why do you go there? Some go there for the purpose of, I want to, I've been looking for this hero since. This is why I left this thing to be running since morning. I wanted to see this hero. I've seen the hero now. Confirm. Don't worry, I'm coming to meet you. Now, you went into casino for a reason. Okay? What's the reason? You want to be able to make money. Maybe you have deadline. You have needs of funds. So you needed to double up the money, make more money. That's why you went there. So you can turn the 10,000 to like maybe 50,000, 500,000. Because it's the only place you can quickly go to, and you can get a hold of saying you put one down, you get two. Or you put one down, if you win, you get three. Now, the same casino also knows that you will come. Some will win, some will lose. But they capitalize on more people losing. You don't have any game plan. You just went there. So what do you think will happen? You will blow your money. You will cry. In fact, when you finish, when they win, collect your money, you will cry. Casino security people will carry you and say, oh, sorry, better luck next time. Go and get more money. Come back and try again. Why do we all try the shortcut? Try. Why? Because we want a better life. We want a better opportunity of earning, better life. But you see, I need you to understand one thing. Before you start, before you come to trading, before you come to do whatever you want to do, what was your plan? What's your objective? How much of it can you handle if it actually or eventually work? Because if you don't have plan to handle it, when you make wins, you are going to blow it. You are going to blow opportunities. You need to prepare for the opportunity before it comes. How do you prepare for opportunities? Set your objectives right. Don't aim too high. If you aim too high, you are among the crowd that are going to get lost. If you aim too high, whether trading, whether business, whether anything. Okay, right now, let me ask you right now. Okay, you said you are interested in trading, you are interested in whatever. You're looking forward to making money. So if you earn, let's say, 5 million right now from just opportunity of trading, what thing you go do with that? Plenty things. Oh boy, if I make 5 million, I go buy one small car, I'll buy one small car, then probably invest something, start something with like 2 million or something, you're a Montula pepperoni. Let me tell you, you're not going to do as you have said. Oh, you are doubting, Abby. You are not going to do as you have said. It is what you are prepared for right now that is going to come your way. I am preparing for my future. That future is almost here. Me, I am preparing for it. That's why I'm not in a hurry. I'm not interested in. I'm preparing for something else. Okay, it's almost ready. It's almost here. I know. I can sense it. I can see it. It's showing me sign. It's almost done. I've learned one thing: to approach life small. Take it small. Okay, I've tried the by force immediately version. You not get peace of mind. You will not get peace of mind. You'll be running helter-skelter, hopping, jumping, blah, blah, blah. Your mind no go dey grand. In fact, you are going to be like stressing yourself. You don't need to stress yourself. You want to make money. Okay, right now, ask yourself, if I'm able to make, maybe by chance, by opportunity, if I'm able to make like 20 million right now, what thing I go do with them? What will I do with 20 million that's going to help improve my life? And also, I will be able to double up, increase, make it better. That 20 million will continue. In fact, it will be impactful in my life. I'll say, oh, this was my first break. This was how I made my first money. And that money launched me into this level. Are you getting it? That's the question. What thing you go do with that? Do you have a plan? If you don't have a plan, go and get one now. You don't even need to have one of your own. You can learn from others and say, okay, this thing, let me test it with small money first. Something you want to do with 20 million. If you have not test run it with 5 million, with 500,000, why would you put 20 million? Why do you think 20 million will work? That's why many people start businesses and they just get one money or the other. They will just go and open one shop, collect shop, pay for shop. Business that is going to thrive actually does not need a workshop or a store before it thrives. Go and find out. All the businesses that are into multi-million business, they start on virtual store where no exist. Go and ask. So you are not the first to try. You are not the first to think. Listen, I learned one thing very early of my life. I think that was the first session I was doing learning work from my dad. The man is not an educated man, okay? He didn't finish, maybe he did primary school. He did not do secondary or anything like we did, okay? But the man had one simple principle, which made him better than all his peers at his work. He is known. If you go to Ebute Metta or Alaba, he is well known as a technician. He's Ogbologbo. He's an expert. Are you getting it? What made him special? One day he told me the secret. I said, that's just it. He said, yes. He said, most people, when I tell them, they don't believe. So they don't believe him. So he too, he will not tell them the simple one. He will make it big, make it paparazzi it, so that they will say, okay. He said, Everything Oyibo made, they made it with manual. He said the first thing he does before he goes into electronics and start diagnosing or do anything, he goes through the manual, find out all the component, everything they say. That the problem might even just be a small issue. He studied manuals. He said everything in life has its own manual. If it was made, it has a manual. And truly, do you know your phone has a manual? This your phone you are using to watch me. It has a manual. Have you even ever read the manual? Do you know everything you agree to on the internet, even your YouTube, it has a manual of operation, terms and condition. Do you know all of them have manual? Have you ever read the manual? Have you ever read their terms and condition? Everything in life has its own manual. Everything. Nothing in life does not have manual. Everything. Guess what? That was how I started having my mind open. There is a site called How To. WikiHow. Go and check it. There is nothing you want to search how to do manually. Just go to WikiHow. It is now people don't even use Google. You use Google. Then it is Wiki. Well, that's why you hear people going to Wikipedia to go and find things, go and research things, go and check things. Then there is Wikipedia, there is WikiHow. Then Google now comes. So Google will even still get information from the Wikipedia, from the WikiHow to share for you. So, because Google had an algorithm that can allow them to start fishing all this information and, bring it to you very fast. So you need to understand, in life, everything has its own manual. Right now, if you're looking at trading, what is your objective? What are you looking at? What will you earn? This is even before you start. It has nothing to do with your trading strategy, your trading tactics, who taught you, who do this. Well, you might not even have strategy. I have somebody that does not have strategy. He's far better than I am. Me, I get strategy. Now, me even teach him the one way they use. Me, we teach him, I know they use them again. They use them, collect better. And every time I will look, I will just be jealous. I say, how this guy do this thing? How? In fact, there was a time I got jealous. I started saying, let me even try and see this thing. I say, oh boy, forget. This thing no go work. I go just chop basic. I no want. The small money we I get, me I dey dash a platform again. I no want. I just stopped myself. I said, this is not me. I don't want another person's plan in my head. Yes, I've thought. I'm glad he's able to use it well. Praise God. Hallelujah. God bless you. Continue your own journey. I've done my own quarter. Okay? So, there are things in life you just need to understand. Do not be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry. If you are doing whatever you are doing right now, focus. Look at yourself and say, okay, the small change that is coming to my hand, what can I do with it? Think of something you can do to multiply. I'm not even talking about trading right now. Think about businesses. Have ideas. Have thoughts. Sit down. This one is not watch YouTube, watch Instagram, watch TikTok, watch somebody's video talk. All those ones you are doing, you are all catching cruise. Because the people you are listening to, they are trying to use the content they are providing for you to make money. Before, these things were not like that. People teach genuinely out of the willingness to show others the way. Now, most people don't do that anymore. They are chasing clout. All those people that you are seeing, they are, what do they call them now? Public, they are public star. They are very popular. They are all chasing clout. All of them, yes, I'm telling you, they are all now so. Because they know this is what people like. This is what they like. They don't like when you are telling them the truth. They don't like. They will not stay. In fact, they will not stay. If somebody is watching me before now, and I start talking the way I'm talking now, they will leave. Why? They don't mind going to people who are talking about Baba Mohbad. How that one take concern my life? Somebody talking about a very dark man, the outing he went for, or the last post he made. I beg, how it take concern me? How will it better my life? How will it better your life? You that you even spend 5 minutes looking at it. How will it better your life? What will Baba Mohbad situation do to help you? What will this one says, what will it do to help your situation? Or how will it even bust idea to your head? How will it help you increase financially? How will it help you increase in being disciplined, more focused to be able to do the things that will make people more disciplined, more focused, more able to achieve good things in their life? They will not spend time to stay there and listen. Just like, was it that yesterday I was scrolling, I was searching. In fact, this was how I got to TikTok. Let me tell you how I got to TikTok day before yesterday. I was searching for an information on, what's it called? There is another helper. It's on WhatsApp. Okay, WhatsApp like AI. It's like ChatGPT, but it's not GPT. It's a WhatsApp home. I was asking it an information, and it gave me a feedback. So from reading that feedback, I got to YouTube, list of information on YouTube. Then I saw a guy talking about, what was it called? The guy was talking about, what do they call them now? Hacking. He was talking about ethical hacking, cyber security, and all that. That was how I got to the guys. The video was on TikTok, so they linked me back to TikTok. I don't open my TikTok. I know even till now, I have not opened it. And guess what? I spent close to an hour watching the guy's video. Do you know one of the things he has? Less views. The highest of his videos does not have more than 500 views. This guy was spilling confirmed informations. In fact, correct, what's that guy said? I've even forgotten his name. I've forgotten his name. He was, in fact, the guy has so many traits like me. I was now looking, I said, this guy he's my own kind of person. Person where they go out, they go party, they go, I know Sabi party, all this party, birthday, I know they go. I know Sabi, I know get time for all those ones. I know, concern me. It's not going to affect me in any way. You are not going to bless my life or improve my living in any way because I go your party. And guess what? I come from Ogun State, Ijebu-Ode to be precise. We are party riders. We Sabi party. So if it is to organize party, give yourself, or even go party, I know. I grow up doing and going all that. But me, personally, I don't like party. Anything party, anything noise, I don't like. You are making noise. Oh yeah, we sit down, we start doing. I don't even get friends. I don't get friends. I can afford to get friends that are influential, that are whatever, but I don't like party. I don't like clubbing. I don't like gatherings where we start sitting, drinking. I don't drink. I don't smoke. I don't manai. So you now want to start teaching me or what? I don't understand. If we are to discuss, teach, no problem. We can do all that. How did all this I'm saying, how did it concern you with all this topic? Because you see, if whatever you can project for right now, if you don't get plan for them, you are just wasting your time. So I will encourage you, if you don't have plan for trading, you don't have your objective set out, you don't have what you are looking at getting, Okay, you want to start trading business. If you don't see it as a business, number one, you will not make money. If you do not see trading as a business, you will not make money. How is it a business? Okay, right now, can you manage a business? Can you run a business? What business can you run? What is the profitability ratio of a business you yourself can handle? What profit margin can that business generate for you? Are you running one right now? Is it working? Are you managing it properly? Now, you are now looking at, you are just imagining things when no dey there, you dey imagine am. Money when you never make, you don't dey spend am for your head. Just because you were able to turn $10 to $30, you are now thinking you have arrived. You will finish them. I go kill you. I go kill them. I go wound them. Now I have arrived because you turned $10 to $30. It was just a partial lock. Don't worry. Come back and repeat it. Then you will find out that you were not the one that make it happen. It just was a coincidence. So you don't just come for trading with empty head. Oh, they will use your money to play snooker. Your money, they will take and play snooker for your own head. Why? All these platforms are structured the same way. Just like you have a casino saying bet on red or black. And by chance, you fall on red. You say, hey, I got it. You won. Hey, I got it. You won throughout the whole night. Instead of you to pack your things and go. Say, let me try one more. Haul him. You now lose. Or you think they will allow you to win? So that you carry their table for your head and go away with all their money. No. They are toasting you. All the platform ask that. So when somebody comes and say he wants to trade and if he's complaining, they are monitoring my account, I feel like slapping that person. If they are not monitoring your account, whose account should they monitor? Somebody that is not trading or somebody that is trading. Forex, stock, anything trading, as long as you are using a platform, a broker, a platform, the platform, it is already in your terms and condition. They provide the platform, you use it, they monitor, they control, they manipulate. That is how the money is being passed around. Okay, when I used to teach people, why did I stop teaching about Bitcoin? That one is story for another day. Okay. Why did I stop teaching people about Bitcoin trading? I don't like noise. I don't like somebody disturbing my life. I don't like it. I like my peace. I like the peace that I can walk. I can go outside my street and walk down and nobody's relaying me and saying, nobody's saying you owe me money, you do this, you do that. I like that peace. I don't like stress. I don't like noise. I like to pass in front of you. I would have gone before you recall that somebody passed. That's my lifestyle. I don't like noise. Now, I stopped teaching because of the stress it was giving me. And then it was the period government started looking into all these things. And they started stressing me on top of my account. I just boned the thing. They said, don't stress me. I bone it. Don't come and stress me. I don't like stress. I'm not in competition with anybody. I don't compete with people. So if you like, say this, I'll just look at you like that and say, I care. You think concern me. Now me and you they run am or waiting. How I take you? If I watch you, will it give me anything? No. If it is not of benefit to me, I don't take give you dash you 20 minutes. I don't mind. You call me. You want to get information from no problem. I will talk with you for 1 hour. I don't mind. But me looking for something from you, except you are worth it. And if you are worth it, I pay for it. I pay for it. I don't like freebies. Don't give me free things. I pay for it so that I can be serious with it. I've done my own trying to teach people, show them this is how you do it, this is how you do it. But you see, the challenge with many people, majority, is that they lack control, they lack discipline, they lack focus. You want to be a good trader. One, get control, self-control, ability to stick to the plan. Do ABC, stick to that ABC. Don't change, let me try XYZ too. No. Stick to the plan. Stick for a long time that you will say, is there no other way to do this thing? Stick to it that way. Then be focused. Focus on what you have. Be oriented. Be focused. Don't be going up and down. Be focused. And then discipline. You discipline yourself. You don't just be doing anyhow. People like to do anyhow. I don't know why they like to do anyhow. Why do people usually like doing anyhow? Why? Why do you think people like doing anyhow? People like misbehaving. Why? Because most times, we know the get person we go. Most people don't have people that guide them. That's why I recommend life is spiritual. Be spiritual too. Recognize your creator, your God, creates you. He himself can guide, show you your path. Every step you take, he will guide you through the right path. So you will start following your right path, meet the right people, connect with the right things, and you get straight to where you are going, your destination. So trading is a journey that requires focus, discipline, and you treat it as a business. If you cannot treat it as a business, oh boy, they go beat you. They go beat you. You go wise up. Nobody go tell you. Go and ask the people that have lost money to the platform. I've had one student at a time almost cursed me. He called me, started cursing. I said, what thing happened? I said, don't worry, I know exactly what happened. You don't need to tell me. They've collected your money, Abi. He said, yes. I said, you were winning before, Abi. He said, yes. Then you started losing. He said, yes. I said, okay. Based on the fact that you were winning before, you now felt like you can win it back. You now went to go and get more money, Abi. He said, yes. I said, That more money, you first won, Abi. He said, yes. I said, you are seeing that you are responding very well now, Abi. I am not in your account. I am not monitoring your account. But this is the normal route every account follows. And the platform is aware. And it's designed that way. I said, the next thing you did was you started losing. And you were losing big. Now, you now have small money left. You now want to use that small money to win back all the ones you've lost. He said, yes. I said, Shebi, I've told you about all these things before. He said, yes. I said, thank God you said yes. So why are you now abusing me and cursing me? Am I the platform? My papa no know Deriv. My mama no know Deriv. Even myself, when I know Deriv, to make money from Deriv. So am I working with Deriv? Am I the one that collects your money? Or am I the one that is doing you, that is your village people ministering to you and telling you, yeah, go on. And I said, I'm sure the money you are even using to trade, it is not your money. It's other people's money. He said, yes. Did I not tell you that don't trade with other people's money? Don't trade with house rent money. Don't trade with school fees money. Don't trade with your project money. Trade with money you can afford to risk and lose and start small. He said, yes. I said, so what is my own crime? You are the one that introduced me to it. I said, so that's my own crime. I introduced you to the platform. Okay. I said, when I introduced you to the platform and I taught you my strategy, were you making money, yes or no? He said, yes. When you stick to the thing I taught you, were you making the money? Was it constant? Was it stable? He said, yes. I said, so why did you deviate from the plan? He said, I wanted to make it big. I said, that's the problem. Your greediness is what destroy your mindsets and your how would I call it now? Your orientation, how you see things. Now you cannot see it clearly again. Why? Because you have lost money. And he lost money that are too big for him to handle. There are many people today, they will tell you, if I'm talking to them about trading, they will say, I'm not interested again, Mr. Fitz. In fact, there were some even when we were doing Bitcoin trading. Most people don't even understand. Even in Bitcoin trading, the money is in circulation from buying and selling from others. We are making the money from ourselves. You collect the money from impatient trader and give to patient trader. You collect the money from immature, knowledgeable trader, and you give to knowledgeable one. Are you getting it? That's how trading is. That is the definition of trading. I don't know the school of thought you go to that you suddenly want to now turn $100 to 1,000 in a jiffy, and you think there is not going to be any repercussion to your mentality, to your psychology. Who do you? Your village people have gotten to you that you are thinking you can just arrive just like that because you made it. Let me tell you, if you are able to do a trading session, no strategy, no help from anybody, personally yourself, you traded and you are able to turn $10 to $20. My brother, what are you waiting for? Why is there a problem you cannot be doing that every day and then you'll be making money? Because it is not as easy as that. Because it happens today, it does not mean tomorrow it will repeat like that. Next tomorrow it will repeat like that. There are wins and losses. There are times it will work, there are times it will not work. It's in every business. Every business have the good sides, the bad side, the pros and the cons. You have the good side, the bad side. Oh, it's today you have limitation, tomorrow you have good stuff. So you have to see life that way. If you don't, you are not helping yourself. And you are not going to even go far. So life is easy. You, right now, how do you see trading? You want to jackpot with trading. You want to suddenly, because of all the people who are showing you, I'm trading. It's, my brother, it's not, you see, 1 out of 1,000 can have the courage to do what 9,000 people cannot do. Everybody is not the same. Everybody is not the same. No. Everybody is not the same. And everybody is not going to make it the same way. There are some people, their journey in trading is just waka pass. You know, in movie, you have people who are waka pass. They just waka pass. Their own is just like, what do they call them? People in the crowd. You know, there is actor, there is co-star, there is a relevant or social ones that are there. You will see them once in every session. They are there. And then there is the waka pass. Only one time, now you go waka pass for the screen. That's it. Are you getting it? That is how some people's journey to trading is. They waka pass. And then they get irritated. They go and focus on the ones they are interested in. They can stay their mind. They have good status to work on. So that is how life is. Don't stress yourself. There are some of us, you are not supposed to even be into trading. Maybe you are supposed to be into tech. Some you are supposed to even be into maybe business. Some you are supposed to even be into farming. And you are disturbing yourself with the one that you want to get quick reach. There are people who they left social engineering, social work, social business, and they just go into farming, and they made it big time. There are people who left their office job and went into technical job, open shop, start doing technical stuff, and they made it big time. Once you discover your calling, hold on tight to it. But before you discover it, you should have plan, objectives, be oriented, have proper orientation. Don't be like that person I told you that he won bet and then lavish it. In fact, we went to, I remember we went to, it was Ojuelegba we went to. We were having a program there. I was supposed to do like a cover recording. Okay, I was supposed to do a recording of the event and stuff like that. Then that was when I saw him. Oh boy, now like this you did now. I say, it was now worse. Why? Because he has tested money. Now his mouth is wide. Yet, he had nothing left. Everything blown away. What's your plan? Let's say you even hit jackpot now. What do you go do with the money? That it is not going to fly away. See, I learned one secret from the scripture. Jesus gave a story about the parable of the seed sower. Okay, he said some will fall on good ground and they will grow. Some will fall on the stone. They will not grow. Birds will come and pick it up because you are stubborn. Your heart, let it be a good ground. Let seed be able to germinate and grow from it. Have a mind that can allow God's words, God's spirit, God's influence to affect you so that you can grow. I now learned one key thing that I've been using in my finances. Guess what? It's one parable. That parable, that secret, it says that I can make money small. Okay, remember the talent, the story of the talents. When they gave talents to 3 people, he gave 1 5, 1 2, then 1 1. He said he gave them based according to their ability. Because the master knows them, he has seen them in action. Why would God give you 1 billion is too much, 100 million, when he knows even 100,000 you were not faithful with? Why will he give you? Why? He rather give it to somebody who he has given 100 million, 50 million to that did well. You yourself, Unko, can you give money to somebody who you know you've given one to, he didn't do much with it? Mind you, he also said he gave them according to their ability. And as he gave them according to their ability, he also now did something. He was now coming back to ask, how far? What have you done? Well, the one that they gave 5 to said, oh, thank you, master, for believing in me. I have doubled it. Guess what? They doubled it. It wasn't a space of 1 month, 2 months. It was a space of some time. They've doubled. They even lived on it. They doubled it. They even enjoyed it. They enjoyed the thing. So they are happy that, oh, well, we have extra. We've doubled now. We've doubled the thing. It's now double. They grew. But the one where they give to, where they even give one. He said, this one, he like to collect where he no put. He won't make me adjust the do for him. Me adjust the walk, they do up and down. You come back, come meet your team. He went to go and dig ground, kept it there. So when you come back, you can't collect her. Look at the heart. And what was the response of the Oga? He said, even if you are so lazy, you are so weak, you are so bad at doing things, the least you could have done, you would have taken this to money changers. You would have left it with them. That will still even yield interest small. At least it will even give you return small. Before, I used to look at big. You see, after my insight to that scripture, I started looking at small. Yeah, I started looking at small. That's where you see, before when I was trading Bitcoin, I usually look for 20%, 30% return. Pam. That's what I look at. I started looking at 2%, 3%, 2%, 3%. I brought the same mindset into binary. Started doing, in fact, because that one I could do 300% in a day. I started saying 30%. So if you had come across my advert, you have come across my video, you will hear me telling you you can make 30% daily. That's where it came from. That don't aim too big, not too big. And mind you, when you see me trade, you see me, I can deposit $20, $30, I will end up making $50. You are wondering, is that 30%? Yes, because I am not putting all my egg inside the same basket at once. I'll put part of it. I have $100 or I have $60. I'll put $20 first. Use them. If that $20 will make me back that my $60, I know that, oh, I don't need to put any more. So I'll keep that my own $60, keep it to myself. Collect the one they've given me. From that one they've given me, I will start again, put it again, get returns, collect it again. How did join the one where I get? Now, from there, I am having money small to keep for myself, to use for myself, to use for anything I want to use for myself. Then I still have money to trade. That is the trading mindset. That's how I treat it. But now I'm not even treating it differently. How? Come with capital. Start. Before, I'm aiming 300%, 100%. No, I don't even want 300, 100%. I don't want again. I just want 5%, 8%, 10%. If I'm able to get that same 300% that I'm used to get in a day, now it is my monthly target. And guess what? It's still going to get smaller. Where are they go? The journey is to 50% max for a month. And then I don't have to do 30 trades, 20 trades, maybe 4 trades. That's where I'm going. Because the portfolio, the setup, everything I'm working on, supposed to be that way. But my way of trading is different. So I can't, they work. The brain, the psychology behind it, they allow the whole thing work. So that's why I needed to re-engineer my brain, re-engineer everything around me so that I can think well, think in that direction. Oh, is it that I'm tired of making money that way? My brother, that way, na highway. Na highway. Take it from me. I said, that way, na highway. Why is it highway? Your mind go day like this. Like now, I breathe, I said, I'm calm, right? That way, I cannot sit like this. You have to be active, agile. That's how I'm trading. I needed to trade from the place of rest, place of comfort, whereby I say, don't worry, nothing is happening. We'll get it back, we'll get it. That is where I'm going. So my journey might not be the same with your own journey. That's my journey. But the reason why I started off is to tell you that what is your vision towards trading? What is your plan? Do you even have a plan? Do you even have objectives? What are you looking at? What's your target? What can you earn from trading right now that you will be okay? You are not going to be greedy. You are not going to change the plan. What? These are questions I usually ask some of my students even before they get started. And they will start talking fine. Bros, if I see $10, if I see $5 every day, I'm okay. I'll be fine. Guess what? Once they start seeing $5, That's when their village people will start taunting their mind, start ministering to them. And I'm having one idea. Now that I'm able to make $5 every day, for the past 10 days now, I've been making $5, for $5, for $5. Can't I be doing $5 in the morning, $5 in the afternoon, or let's say $5 in the morning, $5 in the evening, $5 in the morning? Then that way, in 10 days like that, I can make 100 instead of 50. Okay, let's try that version. You've just spoiled the whole thing. Hey, from Croatia, Bulete, you're welcome. You're welcome. You just spoiled the whole thing. You were able to make $5 consistently for 10 days. What you should have done is to establish it for like 100 days. Let me tell you something about trading. Because you are able to do something for 20 days, 30 days, 40 days does not mean it's going to. I'm from Nigeria, okay? I'm from Lagos, Nigeria. You're welcome to my channel. I'm from Lagos, Nigeria. My name is Faith, okay? I specialize in trading on Deriv option, okay? I trade on Deriv option. Yes, Lagos, from Lagos. I'm from Lagos. So, because you want to make money from trading does not mean you are making money right now, you're trading, you are able to make money, let's say, straight 1 month. It does not mean it's going to continue like that. Okay? I need you to understand one thing. It is a business. Okay? In every business, there will always be the risk of you win some, you lose some. There will be days for losses. So your winning days should be more to take care of the losing days. Don't try to grow your portfolio, your account on the platform. You see, if you cannot see a businessman right now, okay? He's trying to grow his business just by only accumulating materials or the things he's selling. He's selling clothes. He's just trying to accumulate. No, they don't grow business that way. They grow business by, when they acquire, they look for how you can get it in fast, get it in out, so that you can now start doing big volumes. You bring it in, you take it out. If you are acquiring, getting information, getting materials, getting everything, you have everything. Now, there is no way for you to even get it out. Or you had so much that now you have so much that you cannot even disperse. Is that not a shortage for your business? So that's why you have to look at trading as a business. It is not a get-rich-quick scheme. All the other people who want you to come and quickly create an account, open an account so that they can get commission, they will not have time. They will not even be patient to advise you. Why? They are not interested. Once you create an account with them, make your deposits, they collect commission on you, they move to other people. They are not interested in you again. Forget it. There are so many of them right now. They are even the boldness. Okay, the boldness is even there now to talk anyhow about CPA. They call themselves, they will say they are doing CPA marketing or CPA whatever. Oh, come, I'll teach you how to eat. All those things are nonsense. Absolute nonsense. You will be fishing people, teaching them rubbish that does not work. All in the name of commission of 200 or 300 or 500 you are going to collect. Money where you will collect, finish. Let me tell you, God will collect it back from you with ease. Oh, whatever you sow, you reap. Whatever you sow, no be before you go heaven, from this earth, you will receive it. You will reap it. If you are sowing for other people's destruction, you will reap it. You are wondering how, why. So when you see somebody who accumulated money from other people's suffering, when they now have one illness or the other, you will be wondering, they will be spending money on one year sickness we no get head, we no get tail, and all the money over the years he has accumulated will disappear within 3 months, 6 months. All the money is gone into the air. And God will not rush you now. He will not rush you. No, no, no. He will not rush you. So I don't get involved in such things because why? Number one, I know you are not teaching somebody something profitable. It's not a business. You are not. Everybody is not going to be a trader. Everybody is not going to be into forex trading and making money from forex. There are some people, they are just waka pass. I've said it before. Some people are just waka pass. They will come, walk pass, right? Their own is just to come, donate and go. Because they are impatient. There are some people, they know themselves. I am very impatient. I cannot stand this thing. I cannot do this thing. It's not for me. Some already knows that trading is not for them. Why? They've tested it, they've sampled it, and they've seen that if I'm doing this trading and I continue this trading like this, I'm not going to have. Let me ask you, some of you should analyze and look at yourself. How much have I even spent on trying to make money from trading? Some of you, if you calculate the money you've spent, you've invested, you will say, did they just me? Guess what? I did this thing before I started making money in trading. Which year was that? 2012. 2011, I was doing B-Forex. So that was the year I lost big money. Other people's money except for B-Forex. There is a platform called B-Forex. Okay, it's a Forex platform. I traded with that platform. I was making money. We was making money. Then because I was making money, I didn't know that it was season. It was season for the crude oil. So I was doing that based on the knowledge of looking at the price is going to come down. It's going to, not that I really had any special strategy, but I was making money. Guess what? I made money. Owen, you're welcome. I made money. I made money. And guess what? After making that money, and I started having ideas. Like some of you have ideas. When you make small shekere money, you start having ideas. I said, it would be nice if I get to see better money like this. That means I can be earning big. I said, if I could see some people invest in me. And then I was working in church. I was still in the Butimeta then. I was working in church. So I talked to some of my pastors. I said, see, this is what I'm doing. See my current account. They saw, I showed them everything. They saw it. They said, Brother Faith, I said, there is one thing I can guarantee you. Okay, I want you to know this is my own kind of person. I said, there's something I can guarantee you. Even if I mess up, I will pay your money back. I said, even if this thing did not go according to plan, I told them from onset, I said, I will pay your money back, but you have to give me time. Don't come and use police and arrest me or anything. You just give me time, because this thing, because it's working now, if it bring better money inside now, if it change for me. So I told them from onset. Guess what? Exactly that was what happened. That was the time crude oil suddenly went from, like, I think it was at $100. He went straight down to 50. They cut it. They did one rule or something, and they just slashed the price. One thing just happened like that, and the money just dropped down. I said, I don't enter basic. That was how I entered basic. First time, it was Forex that put me in debt. Guess what? What brought my escape from that Forex? How was I able to pay back? I told them, I explained to them. I said, this is what happened. I said, but I'm going to pay back. So, but now, before we were supposed to look at 3 months. Now let's look at 6 months. So allow me small time to pay you back. That was how I started trading IQ options. I started trading IQ options. Piam, 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 piam. So because I'm in big debt, I was looking at big money so that I can pay them back. As I then said, I cannot remember how much it is in Naira self. I can't remember. But it was in dollars. So it was dollar I was calculating. I was not even calculating Naira. I was calculating the dollar. And there were like 3 or 4 pastors then. I remember, I think Tina, Kachi, Pastor Kachi, Pastor Tina, and another pastor. There are like 3 of them that invested with me. I didn't spend the money. I did not chop the money. I lost the money to the market. Guess what? I paid the money back from IQ option trading. So waiting IQ option take frustrates me from paying back on time is withdrawal. Every time I make money, I cannot withdraw that fast. To the extent that I will blow the money again. I said, I need to find another platform. I said, and I know of one who have registered an account with them. They were not, they were regiment or something then. Deriv was regiment or something. I've forgotten the name. That was their first company's name. And they were looking like a betting platform then. So I was not, I said, this one that looks like betting or something. They have OTC market. I said, well, let me try it. I started using them. And I find out they are much convenient in withdrawals. That was how I migrated from IQ options to Deriv. But trading was what got me out of my debt. Options was what got me out of that forex debt. As at then, it was almost like roughly $10,000 or something. So my target was always high, high, high. And I discovered that most times I would have even seen that profit safe. I would have seen turn 100 to 50. Turn 10 to 50, then to 100, approaching 200. Then because I'm aiming too high, I will now start coming down again. So I started cutting my profits. I'll collect. That's why till date, I know they take high, see $10. I don't collect them. If I look my accounts now, and I look that robot has traded, and it has made money, I know they wait you. I'll collect it once it's $10. Once it's $10, I'll collect. I don't wait. I did one recording now. Maybe when I'm done, I will post it. You will see. I like to collect it fast. Except it is not up to. If it's not up to, no problem. I leave it. Once it's up to, I'll collect it. Why? I don't grow my money on the platform. Don't make that mistake. The platform is not friendly. They are not your friend. They're your business. It's your business place. When you go to your office, do you sleep in your office? Do you smile with your office? Do you smile with your boss all the time? Or you are serious? Okay. If your office gives you a promotional package or they give you bonus, do you keep it with them? Answer now. Do you keep it with them? If you are working at an office now, they give you promotional package, bonus, commission, whatever. Do you keep it with them? Do you leave it with them and say, I'll collect it next month. Let me add it up. Once it's like 1 million, you give me, Do you do that? You know they collect your money. You know who collect them. Even if they have not sent it, you will be reminding your guy, boss, they've not sent that, that bonus you said you give me. I'm expecting it, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. It's the same way you treat trading. You are trading, you are not collecting. And you say they never they never exchange your head. They never, you're not going to make money. You are just there to be playing with them. And they are there to play with you. So guys, you want to make money from this platform. You want to see opportunities from this platform. Don't grow your money on the platform. No matter how disciplined you think you are. Grow your money. You see like this. You have to have a trading account, okay, where you are trading, making money from. When the money comes, let the money go to your own Naira account. That is a Naira trading account. That account is to manage your funds that are coming in and going out. So when it comes in, so you'll be able to estimate and say, okay, this month, how much have I made from trading? How much is my inflow? How much did I make? There are some of you have been trading, you don't even know how much you have made from trading. I can tell you how much I made last year, how much I made the year before, how much I made this month, last month, how much I have made this month. Why? I know they joke with them. That's my work. What are you saying? I should be joking with it? Oh, joke? Are you going to pay me salary or something? Do you want to employ me? And you say I should be playing? They play. Don't play. Stop playing. Be serious. You want to make money, take it serious. Look at it from a different perspective. If you change your perspective, maybe you will start making money. Let's start from there first. Do you know how much you have spent, how much you have blown, how much? Sit down, calculate. It is compulsory, it is mandatory, it is necessary. I told you until I was able to do that, that was when my first breakthrough, my head opened up. I understood, okay, these are the things I'm doing wrong. I said, and now when I saw how much I've invested around that time, I look at it, I say, how much is my salary that they are paying me? See how much, where did all this money come from that I put into this thing? I said, I know definitely it's not from my salary. So where did the money come from? I found out that I was making money, but I was blowing it. I was making money from the platform and then blowing it. So at the end, I'm with nothing. I was still in minus because I was bringing in money, making money, then blow the money. So I said, no, it's enough. I cannot be dashing this platform any more money. So when I bring in money, I hold myself accountable. That was when I started knowing that the platform themselves that I'm using, they are against me trying to collect money fast. That's why some of them make the rule, oh, you cannot withdraw with another medium. The means you use to deposit is the means you use to collect. Are you getting it? That's why I always recommend for people who are coming to trade on Deriv that use payment agents. Save yourself the hassle of depositing with bank, depositing with Neteller, card, whatever. Save yourself that hustle. Just use payment agent. Deposit through payment agent so that your withdrawal will also be through payment agent. Now, when you are using payment agent, you are not going to be waiting for approval. Are you getting it? Because they know that the money you are going to be collecting through payment agents are small money, maybe lowest, highest will be 2,000, 5,000. Are you getting it? Don't go direct. When somebody is trying to withdraw direct now, he wants to withdraw 2 Bitcoin. They say, 2 Bitcoin. From where did he make the 2 Bitcoin? From our platform. When? Where? They will start investigating your account. In fact, 2 Bitcoin is too much. Let's say 2 Ethereum. 2 Ethereum. Withdrawal request for 2 Ethereum. Investigate that account. Investigate that account right now. Let's know, how did he make 2 Ethereum? Or are they trying to use our platform to wire money? Yes, they have the right to do all that and check all that. But if you are using payment agents, you save yourself all those hassle. Okay? Even if you use this one, you use that one, you collect, you use this one, you are collecting. So evaluate, how much have I even lost? How much have I invested? Now you look at all those money you have lost or you have wasted while you are trying to trade. Look at them as investments. I'm teaching you how I overcome my own side. I look at them as investment. I'll say, oh, they are all investments. I paid it as a learning tuition fee to learn from my mistake. And I'm going to make them back in multiple folds. I tell myself that every time. I'm going to make it back in multiple folds. I'm going to make it back in multiple folds. They will give it to me back in multiple folds. They will give me back in multiple folds. Even if I'm testing something now. In fact, I got to a point, there was some years when I'm running tests. I don't test with demo again. I test with real. Reason is because I have an account that is making money consistently. So I need to balance that account so that it has 1 or 2 losses. You need to also balance your account. You cannot just come with $100 and you have collected like $5,000 and you expect them not to shake or not to start checking on you that this guy don't get something. Wetin they do? How they make the money? But if they find out that you're just doing pure trading, no problem. They'll leave you alone. No stress, no cost. But you should balance the account. You just deposited $100 and you are collecting 5,000. From where? How? No be juju be that. They will query you now. So instead of you to avoid that query and all that, what you should do is to balance it. When you make withdrawal, deposit. Don't worry, you are still going to collect it, but deposit. So have inflow, outflow. Inflow, outflow. You put money, you collect money. You put money, you collect money. Don't just say you deposit. You want to just be collecting. Oh boy, they will ban you. They will suspect you. They will think you are doing rituals or you found out one loophole somewhere. So they will even make life difficult for you, self. They will make life difficult for you. I'm telling you now, so you understand. So you now say, oh, some platforms are not paying. No be so Binamo take chase me. Binamo something. They take chase me. May first withdraw, May second withdraw. The next one, they say I no fit withdraw again. In fact, I don't even know how the account end up. You say you no fit withdraw again. Why? Why can't I withdraw? What's the challenge? Hey, what is this? I'm just trading now. They started counting different things. I knew, okay, they don't like. I've only made deposit once. I made deposit of like maybe 20,000 naira, and it was in naira. Okay, it was in naira. I made deposit of 20,000 naira. First, I collected like maybe 150. Another week, I collected another one. When I won't collect the third one like this, now in the change am for me. On top of how much you break, you don't deposit. You know, they change am for me. Okay, I can't say okay, make I even deposit. They don't lock my account. They say I no fit deposit, I no fit do anything. They saw that I was trading and I was trading normal. And what was I doing? I was just using low, high, low, high, low, high. Because it's a new platform for me, so I was testing it. I was testing if my strategy works on it, and I found out this thing it worked fine. What I could not do freely on Deriv, I was doing on their home platform anyhow. I said, that's fine. Let me chop this thing before they even wake up. So the mistake I made was that I did not balance it, and guess what? They chased me away. Till date, I've not. I think their agency I can appeal for the account. I say, me they no worry. When I get the chance again, or I see another platform, I will go try. There was another platform I wanted to try then. I think expert option, but I've not had time. I don't like disturbing my head, and that was the time I started studying how to be a developer, to start coding and all that. So I didn't want to. The coding stuff was stressing me at that time. So I just say, I know they do. I beg, leave me alone. Don't stress me. So if you want to trade, please evaluate, or you have been trading before, you have lost money. Find out, calculate. How much have I lost on the platform? How much have I ever used to trade? How much have I ever made even before I start losing? This way, you will know if you have ever made money from trading or not. And you will know if it's going to be possible for you to even make money from trading. I need you to understand, if you do this, it's called self-evaluation. You evaluate yourself, your performance, your approach, your status right now in trading. You will see. It is not about activity. Forget all the activities. Forget all the noise. There are people that are privileged. They just stumble upon one strategy they start using and they start making money. Now, they may teach others it will work the same way. But it gets to a point that the same strategy you were making money with for like 6 months, 8 months, all of a sudden, Because you have now gathered momentum, you have brought volume in. You see, that same strategy, they will change it for you. I'm telling you based on experience. That same strategy, they are waiting for you. I use one strategy. Hey, that strategy made me money. But when that strategy won't collect money back from me, it collected it in 10 folds. They collect and clean mouth. I say, now lie, now don't get me. I said, don't worry. That money, I will collect it back. I'm not going to be in minus with you people. Now lie. So I drop the volume. I come down. I'll collect my money back. In fact, it was a project. I collected my money back. I said, I lie. I'm trying to make money, small money from you. You now collect me. You are now putting me in minus. Now lie. I said, okay, Shebi is volume you don't want. No problem. I commot the volume, put on for this. I said, if I stick under this volume, you are not disturbed. You no go disturb me. I no go disturb you. So make I maintain this volume. So that's why you see me, I keep low profile. Have I tried the big one? Yes. Am I working on the big one? Yes, in a different way. In a different way. That one, I don't even talk about it. I don't share. Why? I will go share my top secret. Now, I don't even talk am. I always forget it existed so that I don't even talk about it. Reason, you start talking about it, you don't spoil the market. Once I talk about it, I'll spoil the market. I don't want. So I focus on the small ones. You yourself, find out, evaluate yourself. How much have I lost? How much have I given to this thing? That I felt like there are some of us, it's just few questions that will change your orientation of how you are thinking. Then you will wake up. Nobody will teach you. You will wake up. Waji, you will wake up. Your brain will wake. Something will click and say, it's true. I've just been dashing these people money. Okay, I know of someone that every year, he will say he will not do it. He will not do it. He will end up. Maybe he don't chop belle full. You just carry one money, go say, let me just try your luck. Yeah, and he will blow the money. Say, I know they do this thing again. Then give am 6 months. He go don rest. Maybe one small money come away again. He will try again. Guess what? 1 year, 2023, he now tried. As he made either $75,000 or something. Oh boy, he said he wrote to Deriv. You know there is a button on Deriv account that you can delete your account. He said he deleted his account so that he would not trade again. I said, you deleted it. It does not mean you will not come back. You can still come back and use another person's account or create another one. I said, no be you. I said, what you should do is learn to understand to maximize the opportunity. Everybody cannot be the same. I have students who make more money than I do from trading, even using my strategy. Yes. Yes. There are things I do that I will be very concerned about because of too much information. There are things somebody who has just basic information, primary school information, they can do everything without hindrance. It's just like small baby. They are innocent. They can do everything. Some they will discover by themselves and then they adjust immediately. But you have too much information sometimes is not good. It obstructs performance. You have too much information. It disturbs your head, disturb your stuff. That's why sometimes I don't even look at some of the things I've done before. I don't even carry them. I don't even want to look at them. Every time I will be looking. In fact, I purposely brought some of them out. I'm looking at it right now. Right now, I'm looking at it on the table, but I don't even want to open it. I don't want to disturb my head. I like the peace that is going on in my head right now. I don't want complication. I want simplicity. I want to treat it like a small baby. I have not done it before. Let me start afresh. So if you're looking at trading, this is my final or summary for you. Try to start small. Clear your head. Find out how much am I looking for? What's my objective? What am I looking to achieve, to gain from trading? What will I earn from trading that I will be okay with? I will not be a glutton or greedy fellow. Once you have established all that, then start small. Don't come with you want to use $1 to make $100 or $1,000. Abba, your village people have gotten you if you are doing that way. So don't be a glutton. Be simple. Start small. Be disciplined. Evaluate yourself. If everybody can start trading every market and start aiming small, the platform themselves, they will run away from all of us. Because if all of us were all making money, who are we going to get the money from? That's why it's impossible for all of us to trade the same way or to relate the same way. So try. You want to trade. How do you look at trading? Is it a business to you? Remember, I said, if you're working at the office and they give you bonus, you are not going to tell the office to keep the bonus for you. You will collect your bonus. So when you trade, you make money, collect your money. Collect your money. Once you make profit and it's withdrawable, collect your money. See, collect your own money you start with first. Leave the profit there. Use the profit to trade. You are going to have a new sense, a new mindset, and you are also going to trade from the place of rest. Let me give you an idea. This is something I do every year. I start with $10 every year. Next year, we'll start November. I'll start again with $10. But 2020, this is 2027. I'm not starting that way. 2027, I'm launching with my portfolio. So I'm not going to be starting $10. I'm going to be starting again. I'm going to be starting like the same way I've been starting $10, $10. I'm now going to do like maybe 1,000 or 10,000. That's the plan. That's the projection. So start small. Don't be too. Trading is not for everybody. You have to see it as a business. You grow your business. Grow it. Small. Be comfortable. Don't be greedy. Don't look for too much. Those that look for too much, they don't make so much. They are limited in their growth because of your expectation is too high. You come with $10. You want to be earning $100 every week. I don't know who tell you the story. I don't know who pump your mindset where you think say it will work. My brother, let's be realistic. If it works that way, that I can come with $10 and every week I go away with 1,000, do you think I'm going to tell you about it? Or do you think I will ask you to bring your money so that I can use it to do it like that for you? That's where the scam and the greedy ones comes in. Do you think I will tell you to bring your money, let me do it for you? Do you think I will have that time doing it for you? Or I will have time doing that for myself in multiple folds and even build a system that can do it for me with ease? Think. Do you think? I've seen many of them. I even, oh boy, no be today they don't do that one. They'll tell you, oh, bring your money, let me manage your funds for you. All those ones, they are hustling. Okay, they are hustling. And if you are wise, you give your money. Go and find out. Go and ask. Okay, the only people I think I've not been able to meet up with I still have plan for them, and I'm going to launch out that my plan very soon. Are the copier people, the people who did copy trading and S Robot, I already have plan for S Robot gang. Copy traders, I have plans for them. Okay, why? Number one, I don't like when I invite people to come and make money, they are losing money. It pains me. I always, I will always think of, okay, this one has failed, it didn't work. Let me look at how I can make it work. But let me take my time now. Don't rush it. Don't let me not rush it. Let me first test. Be sure it's stable. So I found out many things you could do that will not work. So I'm experiencing that one now. And now I'm getting experience in the ones you will do that will work. But you see, because it works for 3 months does not mean it's working. Hello? Whatever you do in trading, because you did it for 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, does not mean it's working. Yes, it may work for 6 months because your volume is small. Once your volume rises, they may make it not to work again. That's how it works. So when you are running something and it's working on low volume, so I try to say, okay, if I'm doing low volume and it's working, I can replicate low volume in multiple versions so that we can maintain, we are not running on the same volume. We are not increasing the volume. That's the plan. And then there is a way you still have to do it so that the volume is not huge. The volume is scattered. It takes so many algorithm and mindsets to calculate and break all those things down. So that's exactly what I'm doing. That's why I'm not interested in so many people joining my bot system or whatever. I'm not interested in too many people. Even if just 10 people, 5 people, I'm okay. I don't want too many people. Once I'm okay with 10 people, I have 10 people, whatever, I'm not going to be talking to any other person again. I'll just face those people. Oh yeah, now those people, if they now feel like, oh, they want to invite, let them invite, but I'm not going to increase whatever. Why? So that whatever you have working can constantly and stable work stable, not because all these things they has to do with volume. They have to do with volume. Because I've tested it, I've seen that. So they change parameter, they change the sentiments, they change the algorithm based on volume. There are things volume triggers. Boom, 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 just trigger. So guys, thank you for all who participated. Buleta from Croatia, thank you for joining. All the people who participated, Real Boss, thank you, Kayode, thank you, Owen, thank you. Owen, I've already started your stuff, eh? Sorry, I did not even. I thought I had already sent the message to you. I don't know that I didn't send the message. I've already started the stuff. So, uh, Bonnie Davids, thank you for connecting. Okay, you are the first person who connected, but you were asking question about what's it called, women. I don't understand why they are disturbing themselves about define woman, define man. I won't continue necessary. All the things that are not even important. You be disturbing yourself. How definition of woman take disturb me? I'm a man. You are not telling me something that will bring money to me. You are telling me something so that you just be talking for talking sake. I don't get involved in such things. God created male, female. The Bible did not say God created 100 species. He said he created many, he had many creations. They are even creations. They are not human beings like us. Okay, you and I, we can see ourselves, Abi. They are spirit beings that God created alongside with us. They have their own world. They are spirit beings, being. Like you have human being, we get body. They are spirit beings. They are spirits. And they are also creations that are not human. That they were all God's creation first. God created them first, even before us. We were the last that he created in his image. As him be, na him create us. So meaning God himself is a combination of man and woman. Complete. I take no say man need woman. Don't let us go. I'm not in the mood for preaching. I know sabi, because if I sabi preaching, I will start the channel based on this is what I want to talk about. And I don't know how many people always have time for long story like that. Me, I don't have time for all that story. What I'm concerned about is, oh boy, bros, how have you get money? Okay, this is my situation right now. Okay, I need money to help my finances. I need money so that I'll be able to take care of my family, my mom, my dad, my husband, my wife. I want to be able to pay rent. What can you do? How can this thing you are talking about, how can I learn it? What can I do to make it fast so that I'm not going to be under pressure? Those are the things that are important to me. And those are the things I'm working on building. So now my journey part is automation. So if you are interested in working with me or you are interested in building bots, contact me and then we'll talk. Then we can start talking, conversing. Not all the things we know make sense. I don't have time to be talking irrelevant. I don't get time for all those kind of talk. No. No be me. Look for another person for that topic. Me, I know they do. So, guys, thank you for connecting. If you have any question or you like something you want to know, please ask me. I would be glad to talk about anything you will want. Very soon, I'm going to have a class, but it is not this month or next month. It's going to be rather towards the end of the year, November or something. I'm going to have a class, okay? And that class, the don't worry. As the time is going, I will inform you guys. Okay, that class is going to be power packed. We are not coming to talk story. So that class is not going to be you are coming to tell me story. No, you are coming to make money. In fact, before we come out, each session we are going to be collecting. Are you getting it? We are going to be collecting. So the ideas or the things me I'm looking at right now is people I can work with, okay? People I can work with that we can build things together. We'll have sessions together. We'll talk about it. You will rub minds. We'll grow. You share idea. You share idea. We say, okay, how can we make it work? Let's do this. Let's do that. That's what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for a friend. Though. Hello? I'm not looking for friends. I'm looking for people with ideas, with perspective, with things that we can grow with, that is going to make our income. You have a business idea, you have something we can do, bring it. Even if I don't have the money to fund or fuel whatever, we'll look for how we boom. No, don't come and be telling me idea, paper idea. Paper idea. I don't do paper idea. I do feasible ideas. Things that can work, that can generate money for us. Make money ASAP. Those are the things we are looking at. So God bless you guys for connecting. Thank you and have a wonderful day. For all those who participated, I really appreciate you coming online. It's been wonderful. The year has also been wonderful. And I know that trading can also be wonderful. So guys, you can trade, make better money. Trading works. Okay. Don't think it does not work. Whoever tell you say you know they work, I don't know. The person no be a trader. I trade with Deriv, and Deriv has been paying my bill. Yeah, Deriv has been paying the bill. If you look at this back, you are looking. Now one strategy they there so. You see, I'm not hiding it. It's in the open. na strategy dey there. That one wey you dey look for my back here na strategy. This strategy for a whole year made me money. Does it still work? Yes. I never get time to get back to it. There is a bot I built for it. I've not finished it. So right now I don't want to start doing transfer. I want to finish one first, settle, then we go to another one. I know they do stress. I don't like stress. Once something is too stressing me, and na only me they do am, and I'm still learning. On top of the whole thing, I still dey learn. So it is not that I'm one ogbologbo developer or something. I'm a Momo developer. I've only mastered one out of 7 things I'm supposed to master, even in my own field. Anything Node.js, that one I don't sabi well. I don't sabi like the back of my hand. I can build anything using Node.js. I'm supposed to graduate to go and learn React, do React, learn Next.js, and also learn Vue for the front view, whatever. I no get them time. The one where I don't sabi, I say make I take and build everything where I need first. When I build and finish, when that one come dey work, I'll come farabale go school. Return to the school where I run comot from. Come learn with the mind of this one is just learning. I'm not building anything. I just want to learn everything from scratch and then But can I build bots? Can I build this? Can I build that? Yes, I can build all those things. I can build everything myself. All the things I have working for me, I build them myself. Initially, I had people who work with me build some, so I've scrapped all those ones. So I use only my things myself. So God bless you guys. See you in another video. Thank you for joining me. All right. But remember, evaluate yourself. It will help you. Have a clear vision. If you want to trade, treat it as a business. Have objective. What do you want? What can you be making from trading that you will be okay? You will not be a glutton. You will not be greedy. Me, when I started, I'm still very okay with it now. That's why you see me, I tell you I'm a $10 guy. Even when $10, when it was 3,000 naira, I tell you that I'm a $10 guy. Now, $10 is like 15K. I'm still a $10 guy. Don't worry. When I graduate to move from $10 to $100 guy, I will tell you. But I'll never graduate. I'll still be $10 guy. I'm okay with that $10. Don't worry. I know they stress myself because I've tried to do $100 guy. I've tried to do $1,000 guy. I found out that the approach I used, they were wrong. In fact, they slapped me. They beat me well. I pay through my nose and no. So I know they do mistake again. So I said, I'm going to grow naturally. I was looking for shortcut and quick cut. Those shortcuts, quick cut, they don't be it. Imagine you making money from trading, binary, from Deriv, then you are trying to now switch to Forex. Wey no give me money. So I will collect money from Deriv. I will go and blow it in Forex. I've done that severally. I beg, bye.